How to activate your public bank credit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily activate your public bank credit card. So if you are a member or if you have your account on public bank and want to activate its credit card, just follow these simple steps. First thing that you need to do is search for public bank on your browser, and then you will see this pbbank.com. You can just directly type in this URL as well, and it will take you to your bank's official website. Now, once you get to the website, on the top right, you'll find the login option. So you'll just have to tap on it, and you have multiple options like PB, Enterprise, Sharing, Trading, and then PBQR. So you just want to tap on the first one, PBE, and it will take you to the login portal of the bank. First thing you need to do is you have to enter your user ID. Make sure that it is correct. Or if you're new to the bank, you can register from here. You can just tap on this link and follow the on-screen instruction to register to your account. Now from here, once you enter your ID, tap on next. And if your personal login phrase is correct, make sure that you tap on yes. It will just ask you for your password now. Just enter your password. You can also use their on-screen keyword for extra security. And once you log into your bank, you will see the credit card section on your homepage. Just tap on it and add your credit card details, and it will automatically be activated. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.